I've always wanted to be a doctor. I knew I wanted to help people. I wanted to be out there and work with patients. Dentistry really caught my heart, and I was like, this is what I want to do. When I graduated, I worked in obesity medicine research, and then I worked in cancer immunology research. So my research was very different than dentistry. So I did that for 3 years, and then I decided, because I had been out of school for a little while, I wanted to go back and do a master's, and I felt like the master's would also help me kind of get clarity on what path I want and what I want to do. And I just heard amazing things about Tufts. I spoke with a few people from the dental school. I spoke to the dean of admissions at the dental school, who sort of gave me some advice about it and about the application. I spoke to some dental students at the time. One of them took me on a guide around and showed me the facilities and everything, and I just loved it. When I came into the dental school, you could feel just like this community. Everybody was so welcoming. Everybody wanted to show me around. Everyone is so friendly. Everyone is so kind. The faculty are super approachable. If you have any questions, they're always so happy to help. I just felt this like warm welcome. Being the vice president of my class, one of the roles that I do is I actually work with the Alumni Association. Whenever I talk to alumni, they always look back so fondly. I know, like, recently when I was talking to an alumni, he was telling me how his experience about being in pre-clin. He was like, I sat in seat number C, I don't know what. And I was like, oh, he even remembers the seat that he was in. And usually that's so memorable, because whenever I've spoken to alumni, they always remember where they sat in pre-clin, or they'll start telling me about their experience in clinic, or, we always bond about that first patient that we had, and somehow everybody remembers that. There's certain things that I feel like every dental school going through school kind of experiences, and that connects us. I think giving back is so important. One, it always helps you stay connected to community. It's nice to stay connected with your school. You get to connect with other alumni. You can ask them questions. If you had a very difficult patient or a difficult case, you could phone up alumni and ask them for questions, maybe ask them who you can refer the patient to. So staying connected with the school, I think, is very critical. A lot of us come to dental school and we have such big loans that we have to take so we can support our education. So honestly, anything helps. And so getting, prizes or getting scholarships, even if it was like a small amount, can really help students. We're all dentists, and it's like a small niche community. So it's nice to be able to always have that camaraderie with your classmates and with people who've graduated. One of my teachers told me that you're in college for 4 years, but you're an alumni for the rest of your life.